secret with you. When we've got these guests,
You have a man crush on him?
No.
Oh, bromance.
That's too secret.
Oh, it's a year later they're getting divorced this year.
Ah.
Little secret is that like when we've got Skype and we you should see the three of us go. What last week? I've got no idea. Well, Chris is the one that keeps us on track. So that how do you forget it?
I think that's about it.
My paycheck.
And Kate.
All right. No, they haven't forgotten about that.
Hold on a minute.
They're just not getting one.
Kate.
Hold on,
I don't know what I mean. You're the forum guy.
does anybody remember what I forgot? This is really bad acting, I know, but please. All right. Do you want to know the big thing?
Yeah.
How's this then?
My new bra.
Starting next
For
month.
you.
That's
Starting next month, I am happy to announce that the Moonbase 2 and Pt2 Toys are going to be building a brand new Transformers website.
Ooh.
And it's basically, we're going to be building it with all of you in mind. It is going to be, hopefully, well, it's going to take us about 3 months to build it. So what you're going to be looking at is it's going to be debuting around Christmas time. Yeah, New Year, Christmas time, New Year. And basically what we want is we want you to contribute to it. We're going to be introducing, hopefully, what we think are going to be some fantastic additions to Transformers websites that you don't see on other sites. Because as you all know, if you listen to the podcast, the best thing that we do is go to other places, find out what works, and then steal it.
I'm going to find a pic of you on that one.
But yeah, I mean, it is basically going to be a fully functioning Transformers website, which is going to cover toys, news, everything that you could possibly imagine. And this is all being paid for out of the kindness of Andy at Kapow. So he's not here because but there's plenty of people recording this, so like just give a massive clap to Andy. Will you be contributing?
No.
Wrong Andy.
I'm full, I'm a bum.
You've seen his house, you should just sell it.
Billy.
Envelopes.
Billy?
Oh, that's Luke.
That's me, right?
No, that's fine. Yeah, where is it?
Over there?
Oh, that's Billy. Billy, who basically turned around to me and said, like, I can make your forum better. And I turned around and went, yeah, okay, fair enough. Don't really hate change. I was like, oh. And besides which, you really scare me sometimes. Why? Because I wake up and it's pink.
Ask is that there's nothing wrong with it, is it?
No. In fact, we were kind of planning we'd take over and make the whole thing pink as well.
You know, when you wake up. When do I get back? Yeah. To get the money to so that's it. I mean, we're going to have a brand new website, which is going to be running by the end of this year.
It's going to be pink?
It's not going to be pink.
It's going to be pink.
Like I say, I can give you some rough ideas as to what's going to be happening with it. As I say, we basically want you all to help out as much as possible with it, because that has been the one thing that we've always tried to do, is to incorporate the Moonbase community as much as possible. And we don't want it to be a case of another Transformers website where the top people stay at the top and like you never find out who they are and it becomes totally unsociable and things like that. And that's basically what we're trying to avoid. So all of the work that is going to go onto the website in terms of information and features and things like that, we want you guys to submit that, but the advantage is that when you submit it, we're going to give you bonuses and things like that for the website. So the more work you do, the more rewards you get. Basically.
You ain't getting money if we're not.
Hugs.
Yeah.
No, I don't.
Anybody got any other stuff? Anyone else?
I'm done, yeah.
They said that they're bringing the cake down, just so you know.
We're waiting.
Cake is incoming.
Cake is alive!
I'm here for cake.
You said every cake.
They're going to riot! They're going to riot! Andy, save me!
Take him now!
Take them down!
If anybody wants the website to be big, give us a hell yeah.
Hell yeah! And I'm a straight fellow and I want it pink. Magenta!
Oh yeah! Right, this is the other thing.
It's not hot rod, you know.
I don't know, Dave. Could you say that any quieter?
Go check out
It's www.blogspot.com.
Yay!
Back to the 80s, people.
Yay!
Back to.
Glenn, just hear yourself.
Go check out Back to the 80s podcast. Yeah.
And the heroic age?
Right. Okay.
It hasn't started yet.
Oh, we've got one episode.
Run Moon Show.
Run and Bone Show.
Run Moon Show.
Run and Bone.
Run Moon Show.
Hold on a minute.
Starting this week.
Everybody grab an envelope.
With hangover.
Now, that's yours. Big enough.
Extra.
Amy, small one, retro, large one, mod. You'll get it. Small one, retro, large one, mod.
Package is retro.
Swag like a bitch for the rest of the day.
You and me both.
Oh, there's another. Another blank.
Let me see. Looks just like it.
Wearing that around Simon's
Billy, show people.
Three layers I've now got on. I am going to get rid of this hangover one way or another.
Canada. Come on, son. Ah. Nicole who?
I can't see it from here. What's Nicole?
Nicole.
Nicole, what are you? I can't see from here.
Nicole? Who did you do that? Who are you?
Oh! I'll catch you later.
Toya.
You see that? He does.
I'm Princess Bumblebee.
Oh.
Where the things that happen.
Steve, you forgot something.
What's that?
It's somebody's birthday today.
Yes.
I don't care.
Right, okay, alright, fine. Because Matt told me I was doing this later on. Yes!
I am cool.
Oh no! I've got to step in the sticky bit! Yeah! Right.
You're in trouble now. You're in trouble now.
I'm in trouble now.
Right, yes, okay, so we were supposed to be doing this later, but
I'm sorry, I didn't know.
But apparently, right, there is actually one other thing, is that it is actually, One, two, three.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Amy. Happy birthday to you. Hey! 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 Rude!
Since Bill kind of put the cat
I
out
was
the
not
bag,
told.
there is an impromptu birthday thing for Amy later on. on at the bar. Okay? So anybody who wants to come along, come along. Okay? There we
No!
go.
There will always be
I'm
kids!
No.
I gave up on that time. I won't do it.
Ah.
Right, I tell you what, I lied there, isn't it? There is only death.
The cake's alive.
No, the cake's not alive. The cake's not, yeah. So go mingle and like,
All you guys together.
yeah, no worries.
Hey, Dad,